What is up, YouTube? We're going to do a single box, personal box for Wackies Plus. Hopefully there's a case hit in here. 2011 certified football. Good luck. We'll get this thing going. No, I didn't plug my laptop in. I should really quickly. Babe, can you bring in my charger, please?
Sure.
Cool. See, I got a sidekick. It's plugged in down below.
Is this it?
Yeah. No, that's for the thing. If you see, it's on the floor. You'll see it on the left side. That big box. Yeah. Just follow that wire. Here we go. No packs. 10 packs here. Good luck. Yeah, man. Thanks. I would have been up the creek. Clay Matthews, base. Ray Lewis, base. Oh, we got our first hit, the skinny auto. Darren McFadden, base. Marshawn Lynch, base. And Phil Taylor is the first hit. Mr. Phil Taylor. There we go, Phil Taylor. First hit, first pack, first hit. Not bad at all. Pack number 2. I got my fiance helping me out. She's my little laptop helper. Filler card.
Elf.
Christmas elf. Eddie Royal. Larry Fitzgerald. Base. New Generations. Jordan Cameron. London Fletcher, base, and Mike Tolbert, base. It's on the side.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Alright, we'll get this plugged in. And I should be good to go. I am charging away. Here we go. The Phil Taylor, oh, sorry about that. Phil Taylor is numbered 215 of 250. The plugging in of the laptop threw me for a loop. Another dummy card. All the big hits are at the bottom of this box. Charles Woodson, base. CJ Spiller, base. New Generations, Raheem Moore. Maybe he'll play a little more. Rashad Mendenhall, base. And LeGarrette Blount, the bowling ball, base. Another dummy card. Jeez. They just keep coming. Felix Jones, base. Reggie Bush, base. Beanie Wells, Mirror Blue, number 2/100. LaShawn McCoy, base. And Sam Bradford, base. I guess that's a good sign, Dana. We're about halfway through the packs and you've only gotten the skinny auto so far. Could be counting base for the last few packs. Oh, we got a hit in this one. We have a hit, so I'm going to put that on the back. Here we go. Mike Thomas, base. Carson Palmer, last time you'll see him in a Bengals uniform. Vasante Saccone, or however you say his last name. Mark Sanchez, base. Oh, this is a nice one. There's the Vernon Davis base. You ready for this hit? Are you ready, Dana? It's for the Bengals. And it says Prime. You see that? Right there. Prime. Good luck. Look at that. That is pretty sick for a patch card. Fabrics of the Game, Hall of Famer. Ken Anderson. Look at that. Number 4. And it's numbered 22 of 25. That is pretty sick for a... I mean, the colors on that thing are awesome. Hand painted, probably. That's back in the day when things weren't manufactured. They were hand painted for the NFL. Yeah, nice low number, man. That's probably I'm sure a Bengals fan would love that card. That's not something you see every day. It's hard to find multiple color like prime jerseys on those like painted on paint jerseys. Tony Romo, base. Hakeem Nicks, base. New Generations. David Alsbury, $9.99. Matt Hasselbeck, base. And Lewis Murphy. You're getting a lot of Lewis Murphys. You should become Okay, cool. I'll take a note of that as soon as I get done with this break, and then we'll take care of that. Here we go. Oh, we got another redemption. Jeez. Reggie Wayne for the Colts, base. Devin Hester, base. AP, base. Phillip Rivers, base. And Nate Washington, base. Hopefully this is a nice wonderful redemption. It's card number 270, Freshman Fabrics number 270. Let's see if we can pull out our trusty old checklist and see who that's going to be. Number 270 is going to be Not too bad. It's the Dolphin, Daniel Thomas. Let's see if we can get closer. There we are. 270, Daniel Thomas. Number 280 would be Clyde Gates was number 280. So, you got the Daniel Thomas. You got the better of the two. The better of the two Dolphin. 3 packs to go. We still need a jersey card. Or a 1 of 1. We could do a 1 of 1. Speaking it shall come up. Mike Williams, base. Michael Vick, base. Maurice Jones-Drew, base. Julius Peppers, base. Good old Titus. And here's your hit. Fabric of the game, Ryan Mallett, jersey. Number 132 of 250. That's awesome. Yeah, I think the Dolphins will be okay. They got off to a late start. They just needed, I mean, if they'd have been able to do that from the beginning, they probably would have been okay. But they definitely have a team. They just decided not to play. Maybe they'll get Andrew Luck. Trade up for him. Kevin Walter for the Texans, base. Steve Johnson, base. For the Ravens, number 12 of 25, Anquan Bolden, mirror red. Steven Jackson, base. And Santonio Holmes, base. Yeah, maybe we'll get a 5th one. This looks pretty thin, but you never know. No such luck. Matthew Stafford, base. Tony Gonzalez, base. Robert Hauser to $9.99, New Generations. John Carlson, base. And Nnamdi Asomugha, base. Alright, off to the 3 mini packs left of that absolute memorabilia. I sold 1 of these mini boxes, so we have those 3 left. And I didn't open the other one yet, so I don't know. So I don't know what we got. I don't know which hit we have. It's sitting over there. I guess we'll know after we open these. Panini in this is like the worst wrapper I've ever seen in my life. You know the best way to do these is just kind of like get your hand in there and then like kind of like rip the box a little around the wrapper, because I've tried to cut them with scissors. I've tried to do all that stuff, and sometimes you hit the cards and it's just not the worst packaging. I understand child-proofing or whatever the case may be, but geez, this one's got a thick card in it, so we'll see what it is. Maybe it's the on-card auto. We will see. We'll move it to the back. Good luck. We have Larry Fitzgerald. Rookie is Phil Taylor. Yeah, they do remind me of the McDonald's apple pie boxes. Oh, that's pretty cool. James Laurinaitis, and then the hit is numbered 12 of 25. NFL icons. Nice little Seahawks hit, I guess. Steve Largent. Largent. I can't even say his name. Largent. Lagrant. Yeah. 12 of 25. And we'll do second box. And this one has a dummy card in it, I think. So to me, that smells like a skinny auto. Yeah, that's what it is. Skinny auto. So we'll drop this and we'll do the base of Michael Vick. Isn't that your second Michael Vick base? No, I guess not. Jeremy Kellery. You know, that's your rookie. Curly. Jeremy Curley. I couldn't say his name at all. Roddy White. Base. Here we go, and your skinny auto is Cameron Hayward, numbered 67 of 299. Yeah, should have a few beers. I'm starting to sound like SSA over there. He gets drunk and opens cards all night long. It's hilarious. I go in there just to watch like him get drunk while he's opening boxes of cards, to be honest. That guy's awesome. Last one. It's got a filler card in it, so I'm guessing that other box has the big hit. But then again, it could be a pack with 2 skinny autos. I've seen those all the time, so, and that's what it is. Des Bryant, J.J. Watt, Brandon Jacobs. Oh, we're going to go out with a bang. We're going to go out with a bang. You ready? This is number 8 of 25. It's skinny, but we're going to go out with a bang. Matt Cassell, auto. 8 of 25. That's not a bad 3 boxes, I would imagine. Yeah, you could probably sell that for 40 or 50 bucks. 8 of 25. If it would have been 7 of 25, you'd have been in much better shape. 2 skinny autos. And that does it.